After Parth Samthan aka Anurag Basu resumed the shoot of Ekta Kapoor's popular TV show Kasauri Zindagi Ki 2 was tested positive, all the cast and crew members were a little skeptical of shooting. Well, पार्थ की खबर के बाद सारे कास्ट एंड क्रू मेंबर्स ने जो भी उनके करीब रहे थे in the past 10 days got their test done. Almost all of their tests came negative. Erica Fernandez also got her test done, but luckily the reports were negative. Well, the leading lady plays the role of Prerna and she was not at all comfortable in resuming shoot as she has conveyed to the leading portal. लेकिन अब खबरें आ रही हैं that post Parth Samthan's report coming out to be negative, there is yet another cast member who has been tested positive, along with 2 watchmen from the same staff who has been tested positive. कसौटी जिंदगी की कमौलिका यानी कि हमारी आमना शरीफ has been tested positive. As per the reports in a leading portal, the actress has been shooting from her home and will continue to do for a couple of days. Well, ऐसा लगता है कि इस पूरे फियास्को के बीच में एरिका फर्नांडिस जो प्रेरणा का रोल प्ले करती हैं, has finally decided to shoot from her home itself. एरिका ने एक लीडिंग पोर्टल से कहा, even though I tested negative, the test was done at an early stage. So I wanted to wait for a few more days, get another test done after 10 days and then get back to the sets. But since we are already on air, we had to continue work and this is the best way forward. Erica, who has been shooting from home, has been multitasking with once slipping into the multiple roles of a director, cameraman, sound recordist, hair and makeup artist and many more. And it is indeed not at all an easy task. Erica also mentioned, but I have an online channel for which I used to do everything on my own. And that experience is coming in handy since it taught me intricacies of handling a camera, fixing the light, monitoring the sound and getting dressed up on my own. My only challenge has been not having my co-star in front of me and having to imagine how the other person would react, shared the actress. Coordinating with her TV crew on a video call, she's giving clues about her scenes, which also includes retakes if they don't get the mood right according to the script. Also, the actress is working for 12 hours every day. Erica said, my director, DOP and someone from the creative team is always on a call with me. The screen acts are there on the monitor, they give me cues over the call, all discussions happen on the phone as well. We do take retakes only if the mood is not right or if I fumble my lines. Otherwise, we okay the take quickly and we have done a pretty good job so far. Funnily, recalling how the team during their Kolkata shooting schedule used wireless earphones for coordinating now, they have upgraded themselves as they are coordinating over a video call. When asked about how long she will continue shooting from home, Erica mentioned being unsure about it. Also, talking about updates on Parth's health, she said, we have been checking on him constantly. Well, he got tested again recently and this time he was negative. He is recovering well. Gushing over her producer Ekta Kapoor for treating her staff so well, Erica shared, it wouldn't have been hard for them to replace me, but they are cooperating and trying to find ways to make things work. Both the channel and Ekta have so much at stake and they are still being so considerate. So I've been trying my best to give them the best. Well, it seems like ये वो जो line कही जाती है ना, the show must go on, is a true line right now. Because even though Parth Samthan and Amna Sharif and other few members of the team have been tested positive, it seems like कि कसौटी जिंदगी के कास्ट का स्पिरिट कहीं नहीं मरा. सभी लोग अपने एंड से बेस्ट देने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं so that वो फैंस एंड ऑडियंस के पास अपने बेस्ट ऑफ बेस्ट एपिसोड्स एयर करवा सके ताकि एकता कपूर एंड चैनल जो उनमें इतना ट्रस्ट करते हैं उनको लेट डाउन ना होना पड़े. Well, आप हमें बताइएगा in the comment sections below how excited are you to watch the upcoming episodes of कसौटी जिंदगी की and also कितनी बेकरारी से आप इंतजार कर रहे हैं पार्थ और एरिका यानी कि हमारे अनुराग और प्रेरणा के आने वाले रोमांस और सीक्वेंसेस के लिए. Until then, stay tuned to Telly Chakkar for all the more updates about the Telly world. All about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.